Hello and welcome to the Cash Dashboard Guide video series. In this video, we'll walk through how to access the Cash Dashboard application from the Markets portal, and we'll also cover some basic troubleshooting steps in case you're unable to access the app. To begin, open your preferred browser and enter the Markets portal URL. On the login page, enter the username provided by your organization's participant administrator, along with your password, and select Login. Once logged in, navigate through the main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Select EMMS, then Settlements, then View Credentials, and finally Cash Dashboard. You will now land on the Cash Dashboard homepage and can begin working within the application. If you are unable to see the Cash Dashboard in the menu, there are two common reasons. First, ensure you are logged in under your correct NEM participant ID. To check this, click your account name in the top right corner of the screen and select Set Participant from the drop-down menu. This will display the participant IDs associated with your account. The Cash Dashboard is only accessible when you are logged in under your NEM participant ID. Second, you may not have the required permissions assigned to your account. If you believe this is the case, please contact your organization's participant administrator to request access. If you don't know who your participant administrator is, please contact AMO Support Hub. That's all for this video. In the next part of the series, we'll explore how you can submit new instructions via the Cash Dashboard. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit AMO's Shortening the Settlement Cycle project page or refer to the links in the description below.